Hi everybody. Show you how to use the EasyBib. If you have already turned in the assignment, that is okay, but I wanted to give you step-by-step instructions. The first thing you need to do is find the website that you want to cite. And my example is a hotel on TripAdvisor. If I were going to Ocean City, this is the hotel that I would stay at. So notice that I have this link. What I'm going to do is get on the search bar and I'm going to highlight the whole thing and then either click copy or click Control C. I just clicked Control C. Now you're going to get on EasyBib. And on EasyBib, notice there's lots of ads, which I know can be annoying. You're going to click Create Citations. Now, it is a website, so where it says choose your source, you're going to click website, and in this search bar, you're going to put the website. So notice I copied and pasted the website from TripAdvisor into the bar. Now I'm going to hit search. Okay, so it says it's gathering information. That is good. So it shows me here Dunes Manor Hotel, Court and Suites. That is correct. I'm going to hit cite. And then notice that it has some information. You don't have to add anything else, guys. Just hit continue. And then it says, one moment while we gather the info. One moment while we gather the info. I am not adding anything to it. I'm going to hit complete citation. And I'm waiting. See your citation highlighted below. Look at what it does. You see this, okay? In the light pink, it shows you how this would be cited. Now, you can use this, but if it is inconvenient, you can simply put the website at the bottom of your paper or in the text along with the days you're picking. I don't want this to be an inconvenience, a frustration, or an annoyance. When you have this, if you'd like to highlight it or hit copy bibliography citation, you can click this and then you can put it in your paper. Okay, so that's one way you can do it. I realize you might have trouble with it, but just do your best, okay? Thanks, everybody. Bye.